In this video, I will show you how to create a professional blog website on Hostinger using Hostinger AI Website Builder. We will build our blog website in 5 simple steps. So let's get started with the step number 1, and that is set up web hosting and domain. To get an additional discount on Hostinger, make sure to sign up using this link or scroll down to the video description and click on the very first link. When you click on that link, you will land on this page here. Now from here, click on claim deal. Now here we have 3 different pricing options. If you want to create an e-commerce website or you want to use the Hostinger AI tools, then you will have to go for the business or the higher plan. But if you want to create a simple website, then you can go with the premium plan. For this tutorial, I will go with the business plan. Now from here, we just need to select the time period for our web hosting. So if I click on this drop down, here we have 4 options: 1 month, 12 month, 24 months and 48 months. You need a 12 months plan or higher to get a free domain, but for the absolute best value, I will recommend you to go for the 48 months. If you go for 48 months, it will cost you 3.99 per month, but if you go for 12 months, it will cost you 4.99 per month. And for 24 months, it will cost you 4.49 per month. So for the absolute best value, I will recommend you to go for the 48 months. After that, you can apply my coupon code to get some extra discount. And once you are done, just click on continue from here. Now we need to register our Hostinger account. We can go with Google, GitHub, or we can use email password to create our Hostinger account. So I have entered my email and password here, and now I am going to click on register. Now here we need to add our billing address and then click on continue. Now here you will see the payment methods based on your region. I will select the card option from here. Now after adding our card details, I will simply click on submit payment. Now click on get started from here. From here I will click on myself or business and then click on next. Now again we will select create a website and then click on next. Now select website builder from here and then click on next. So now we will search for our domain name. As we have selected the 48 months plan, so we have one free domain name available. So I will search for my domain name here, and here you can see that it's available and also it's free. So I will select my domain name and then click on next. And now I will enter my personal information and then click on finish registration. So now we will use the Hostinger AI website builder to create our blog. You can write a prompt here, but what I actually recommend is using Claude to create our prompt. So I have entered this prompt to Claude, and based on that, Claude has asked me several questions, and then based on these questions, Claude has created me this prompt. So now we will copy this prompt from here, go back to our Hostinger website builder, and we are going to paste it here. After adding your prompt, you can also use the improve description function to improve your description, but I don't want that. So I'm going to click on this enter button. And as you can see that our blog is now getting ready. And as you can see that Hostinger AI website builder has created a nice blog for us. Here on the top we have our logo, our pages, then we have this hero section that we can easily customize later on. After that we have our blog posts, then we have joined the email list, and then we have the footer. Right now we have only 2 posts on our blog, so that's why we are seeing 2 posts here. So when we will add more posts, we will see more posts here. We can also check out the mobile version of our blog from here. If you don't like the website that Hostinger AI website builder has created for you, so what you can do is that click on edit idea from here, and now you can add a new prompt here, and after that click on this enter button from here, and it will create a new blog for you. But for this tutorial, I like this simple design because we can easily customize each and every part of this blog later on. So we are going to click on continue from here. So right now we are in the editing panel of this website. And now from here we can easily edit our Hostinger blog. Let's start with the header first. To change this logo, just click on it, and here we have the logo settings. I want to replace this logo with my own image, so I will click on replace image from here. So click on upload files from here, select the logo from your computer and then click on open. Now select the logo, and as you can see that our logo is now changed. You can increase or decrease the size of your logo from here. After the logo, we have this navigational menu. So click on pages from the left menu. Here we have the pages. To delete any page, just click on this three dots button and then click on delete from here. Now click on delete and your page will be deleted. If you want to move the pages up or down, you can do them from here. Now if you want to do the further settings for your header, just click on edit header from here. Now at first we have the layout setting. You can change the layout setting from here. After that we have the header elements. You can show or hide elements from here. If you want to show the social icons, just turn it on from here, and here you will see the social icons. And if you want to see the button, just turn it on from here, and here you will see the button. After that we have the logo, and then we have the style. You can change the header background color from here. Also you can change the font and text color from here. So we are done with the header. Let's customize our hero section. So we will select the hero section and our hero section will be selected. Now click on edit section from here. Right now we have the video background. You can change it to image or color from here. Or if you want to replace the video, you can do it from here. To change the background to image, just select image from here. Click on replace image. Now you can upload an image from your computer or select free images from here and select any image from here. I want to choose this image from the free images, so I will select this image from here and then click on add to page, and as you can see that our image is now added in the background. And now I will add a opacity to my image so that my text is visible. So I will add it to around 70 or 80%. And now we have the visible background image and the elements. You can also go with the colors from here. Just select the color. But for this tutorial, I will go with the image. Now let's see how to customize this heading, this text and these buttons. To change this heading, just select it and then you can change it from here. So I have added the new text. Now to change that font setting, you can do it from here. You can change the font size from here. You can make it bold, italic, underline or strike through from here. And after that you can link your text as well. And then click on these three dots button and here you will see more options. Right now line height is set to 1.3, so I will decrease it. You can add a text background color and also you can add an animation from here. After that you can easily customize this text from here. Just select the text, click on edit text, and here we have the same options as for this heading. If you want to add more text, then you can paste it here. Now to customize these buttons, just select the button, click on edit button, and here we have the button option. You can change the button text from here. You can change the button link from here. You can link a button to your page, web address, section, etc. After that you can change the button style from here. You can change the fill color from here, text color from here, you can change the font from here, and you can change the font size from here. After that you can add an animation to your button as well. So this button setting is also the same. Just select the button, click on edit button from here, and here we have the same button settings. Now let's see how to edit the existing blog post or how to add new blog post to your blog. So if I scroll down from here, here we have the blog post on our home page. And also on the left menu, here we will see the blog section. Just click on it and here we will see the blog posts that are published on our website. To edit any existing blog post, just select the blog post from here. And now we can easily edit this blog post from here. At first we have this post header. Just click on edit post header from here. And now from here you can change the style, you can change the layout, and also you can change the background from here. Now to change the post title, click on this pencil icon. And now from here you can change the post title, you can change the post description from here, You can change the post URL from here. And also you can change the post date from here. To change the post future image, just select future image from here. And then you can replace it from here. After that we have the categories. If you have already created the categories, then you can add a post to your category from here. If not, just click on select categories from here, click on add new category, give it a name and then click on this button and your category will be created. Now to add our blog post, here we have the image. You can select the image from here, click on edit image. You can replace this image from here. And to add our content, we can do it from here. Just select it, click on edit text. So I will select it from here and then I will paste my text here. And as you can see that we have added our blog post text here. To change the live preview of your blog post, just click on preview from here. And here you will see it. To go back to editor, click on back to editor from here. We will decrease the font size of these headings from here because these headings are way bigger. So I will select this heading from here and for the font size, I will set it to 35. And now if I check out my post and I think it's looking good. If you want to add elements to your blog post, from the left menu click on elements and now from here you can easily add these elements to your blog post. Like you can add text, button, affiliate links, images, galleries, videos, maps, contact form, etc. to your blog post. So we are done editing our blog post. We have added the header, we have added this image, we have added our text. So now we are done with editing our blog post completely. So now from the top we are going to click on this save button. And our blog post will be saved. If you want to add a new blog post, from the left menu select blog, click on add new blog post from here. Now you can use Hostinger to write a content for you. If not, just click on skip, I will write it myself. Now click on this pencil icon from here. Now I will add my post title from here. After that I will add my blog post description here and then click on save. And here we will see our new title and new description. Now select this image, click on edit image. I will click on replace image, then select free images from here. I will search for web design. I will select this image from here and then click on add to page. And as you can see that our image is now added. After that I will add my post content from here. So I will select it and then I will paste my post content here. If you want to add a link, just select the text, click on this link button, and then you can add a link from here. So once your post is added, to check out your post, click on preview from here, and now you can easily check out your post from here. Now to publish your post, here on the top we have the status, so I will set it to public. And as you can see that our post is now published. And now if I click on blog from the left menu, here we have the 3 posts and all of them are published. And now if I go to my blog page, here we will see the 3 posts. So this is the new post that we have just created on our blog. And also if I go to my home page, here we will see the new blog post. So once you are done, just click on go live button from the top. And in this way your blog will be published. Now click on view site from here. And this is our professional blog that we have just created with Hostinger. Now if you want to do the mobile optimization for your blog, just click on mobile from the top and now from here you can customize your blog on the mobile phone. And now we are left with just one thing and that is our SEO settings. So from the left menu click on SEO. At first we have our website information or the business name. So I will click on edit. I will change it to my name. And then click on save from here and here we will see the improvement found for our home page. So I will select it from here and then from the top just click on generate new SEO info. Now you can add your page description here and then click on next step. Then you can select the keywords from here and then click on next step. Now click on finish. Now if you scroll down to the bottom and here it will show you the SEO suggestions, just fix them from here and your SEO will be done. Now to do the SEO settings for the other pages, just select the page. Now from the top click on generate new SEO info. Now add your description, click on next step. Select your keywords from here. Now click on next step. Now click on finish from here. And as you can see that SEO settings for our blog page is now done. So do the SEO settings for all of your website, and once you're done, just click on update website from the top and your website will be updated. So this is a nice and premium blog that we have just created with Hostinger AI website builder. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.